Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Finding the spring with the highest frequency is easy if you know the right formula. Let's solve this physics problem together in just 60 seconds. Frequency for a mass on a spring depends on the spring constant in mass. The formula is frequency equals 1 over 2 pi times the square root of k over m. At equilibrium, the weight mg equals the spring force k times the displacement L. This means the ratio k over m is actually equal to the gravitational constant g divided by L. Substituting shows frequency depends only on displacement L. Since spring D has the smallest displacement, it has the highest frequency. You mastered this physics logic. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing signs, trust the given values, and check your steps for option D.